Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn off an iPhone if the screen is broken. So step one, press and release this volume up button one time. Then press and release the volume down button one time, and keep holding, and after that keep holding the power button, and you will see you will see a message that says something like slide to the side. Yes, slide to power off. Don't no need to slide it, just keep holding the power button on this side of your iPhone for about 10 seconds, and your iPhone, yes, and you will shut down your iPhone. So to repeat this, press and hold press and release the power up button, then press and release the volume down button, and keep holding the power button for about 10 seconds. And this is how to turn off an iPhone without use if the screen is broken. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.